turn this mag as far in as it'll go and out until it knocks off, and up until it knocks off. That's the way it runs. Forgive the wind. We've got a coastal low sitting down below Wilmington. It's a 2-hour trip away to Wilmington, but it has been just pounding us with wind all weekend. But I don't think I've got a fuel issue. We'll pop these plugs out here in a second and see if they're fouling up. But you saw it is running fairly. It is warm all the way across. I think everything is firing. Let's see what the plugs show. Alright, so I went and double checked them. They're supposed to be 28 to 32 according to my service manual. And I thought I had measured them at within that gap. Apparently I was enjoying some adult libations that afternoon. I don't know. They're all measuring at or below, or all were measuring at or below 25,000. So let's screw them back in and see if we can get a little bit of run out of this. Well, so I got her put back together. She fired up fairly well, but then sputtered and coughed, and I've tried to crank her. She's not been really run in 2 months. I think I've about killed my battery, but then I realized I had cut the fuel off like all good smart antique tractor owners. I need to get me one of those stickers to put up here that says fuel on stupid or something other like that. We're going to see if we can get it charged up enough to fire over, and if she does, we're going to run around a little bit and get it charged back up. Well guys, like I said, the plugs were out. I don't know how I managed to do that. I've got it, it's running, but I literally, while I was running, I popped the wire off one, couldn't really tell any difference in the sound, put it back, did the same thing with 2, no real difference in the sound, put it back, popped 3 off. Look at there, got a little oil leak. That's new. Anyway, popped 4 off, or 3 off, excuse me, did the same thing. I didn't reach in here and grab 4. Started to, but I figured that was probably enough to tell me it might be something else. So, even though this is rebuilt and it seems to be firing, and we'll get into it later, check my point gap in there and see if that's off. That's going to be my next step. But anyway, thanks for watching the continuing saga of taking a good tractor and turning it into one that's not quite as good, but we'll work on that next, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.